used to produce all these apparatus.
Opportunities come, and what you make of them depends on what you do. The Austrian Ambassador is a friend, and Austria is a very, very important country in Europe, and a strong member of the European Union. The world is a global village now, and so collaboration and relationships across countries, across borders, is very critical and important. And in collaboration, we grow together and move forward together. There's a lot of potentials in our great state, and we have a dynamic young governor that needs all the opportunities that can avail themselves and in taking our state to the next level. Some of the members of the delegation have come to discuss with us about collaboration between our school and a sister school in Austria. In Vienna, there's a University of Medical Sciences that started before PAMO. And so PAMO has a lot to learn from them, and they too are happy to collaborate with us and exchange programs, exchange faculty, and move into the future of medicine together. That is why we felt that a delegation like this should also see the governor of the state and have their own interactions and see how the state and their country can collaborate and work together.
Honor and privilege to meet His Excellency, the Governor of River States today. I came with an Austrian company, AFCON, who is specializing in technology for airports, in fire truck vehicles, state of the art. And we had a wonderful discussion about how to improve the safety infrastructure, both here in the States and in particular at the airport.
Okay. So, how do you think that that will add value to the economy of the state, and what assurance has His Excellency given to it?
Well, let me first of all say that Austria has a very long relationship with Nigeria. It dates back to 1909, when at that time the Emperor of Austria decided to start consular relations with Nigeria. And it was soon after Nigeria's independence that Austria opened an embassy, at that time in Lagos, and we deepened our relationship. And that was in particular in many areas, in science, through exchange with state-of-the-art Austrian enterprises, and in particular with a very close and amicable diplomatic exchange. Thank you very much.
What assurance has
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.